Okay, here we are. We are at the end of day 3 of the Directors Workshop for JGA Group and Mayor of London's Film and TV Hub. These amazing guys here have done a fantastic job. They've been diligent, they've been attentive, they've smashed it out, and they've made some amazing films. And listen, if you want to come along and learn about directing or other creative industry skills, get in touch with us at the JGA Group and we will make it happen. Thanks everyone, you've been awesome. Yes, woo!